proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How you doing or whatever? Oh, y'all, this little background thing that I got is really doing everything for my life. Like, it just makes the aesthetic, the video look so good. But anyways, if you are an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel, for, you know, staying tuned with us, seeing what's up, seeing how your girl is doing. I appreciate you. Thank you for your time. If you are someone new to the channel, we hope you consider subscribing here. If you like the content, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. We appreciate you anyways for just watching the video up to this point. But without further ado, let's get into this weekly check-in, y'all. I'm not gonna lie too, it's a little short and sweet to the point, so let's get into it. So this is the week, y'all. You see this? Y'all see this? And normally my check-ins are like this big, but look at this. That's it, that's all. So for our first expense, it's only one expense, but like I said, I split it between two. So it happened on the 27th, and this was not the day I bought it, but this was the day that it processed on my account. And this was from weekly spending. Also, during this time, guys, I was stuck in quarantine. So yeah, your girl couldn't do anything, and that's cool. But I definitely got me some delivery. So I got me some T-Bus chicken. And you guys know, if you've watched my Instagram story, I posted that chicken. It was gorgeous. But as you guys know, my weekly spending is $10. So that's what I used it on. And there's nothing going to savings. So my total amount is $10 for a fact. And then also the total amount for this T-Bus chicken was $16.72. Sorry. And so I just took the difference from miscellaneous. So yeah, I took this $7 total. So the difference of that $16.72 and $10 is $6.72. So that means I'm putting 28 cents towards savings, and then that $7 from the cash envelope itself. So those were literally my only expense for a week, which is so good. Like, I didn't go on Amazon, nothing, y'all. That was the only thing I did. I do have one more expense though, and it is in green. So there's a Texas Roadhouse here at another base. You guys won't see it on this because that transaction hasn't been finalized, because you know this is from the 22nd through the 28th, and I went to Texas Roadhouse on the 28th. So and I used my credit card to pay for it, but I tipped in cash. So on 8/28, I took this from the going out category, and I went to Texas Roadhouse. Lord, y'all, I miss the bread. I miss just going out with the bread, the food. It was so good. It was so good. And I tipped $5, and nothing's going towards savings. And this was a total of $5. So I was cleared on the 28th as well, from quarantine, that I don't have corona. So yay! Or anything to do with it. So yeah. But we're gonna calculate up everything and then finalize. Yep, so that is basically it, guys. There wasn't really a lot. I'll put in my bank deposit, credit card payment, and save it deposit amount on here. And I don't even have any notes, guys. Like, there's no notes, nothing like that. This is probably my shortest check-in, because next week, little baby, whoo, child, it's gonna be so much next week. Okay, y'all, so this part of the video, as soon as I like completed recording, I was like, this is wrong. So my bank deposit amount is not 22, it is actually $17. Because my bank deposit is equal to my credit card payment plus my savings, which is $17. This $5 is already taken care of, so it shouldn't have been included in my bank deposit total. I just want to put that in there so now you guys can watch the rest of the video, even though it has the wrong information, but you guys know. So yeah guys, so yeah, it's one of those things where you have to like know, if you know my budget, then you know how to read it. Because guys, I was losing it back here. I couldn't figure out what it was, and then I realized I didn't add this in. This wasn't supposed to be added in, and then this as well, because it's already been accounted for and paid for, so it's green. And so I figured it out now, and then I got better. But whoo, child, let me tell you. But yeah guys, I don't have notes. That's it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was short and sweet, little baby. Like, really enjoyed it. And like, guys, I'm really loving this background. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Click that like button. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or you know, just want to make a comment. Just leave me a comment. I'll be commenting in the comments. I'll be talking or whatever. Make sure you share this, you know, family, friend, foe, anyone, you know, we really don't care. As long as you share, help somebody else. You may not like them, but you know, help them from afar. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if, like I said, you like the content here. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.